guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Luxury Divas. You want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I received my Luxury Divas accessory box. So this is for May. Let's go ahead and dive in here. Now they do put this in a mailer bag, so I removed that for my address and all of that good stuff. And this is what is inside. Luxury Divas is amazing. I love this box. It is an accessory box. You'll find all different kinds of stuff, from scarves to socks, to clothing items, to jewelry, to makeup, to anything in between. There's been umbrellas, there's been wallets, there's been so many different things in this box. And I think they change with the they change with the season. So I'm so glad to get this month because I'm hoping they're gonna go into the spring seasons now. So I'm really excited that this came in, and I cannot wait to dive in here and see what we have. Luxury Divas, if you do not know, they are $35 a month if you want to do the normal one-time box. If you go into the subscription, then it brings that fee down to $30 per month. It is free shipping, and I do have a code that will save you $5. So you can use my code CRAFTY5 to save $5 off. So if you wanted to just try a 1 month and did the $35, that would bring that bad boy down to $30. If you want to jump into the subscription like I did, then that would bring it down to $25 for your first month's box. So that is amazing. So let's go ahead and get in here. That's what you see right on top. So they always give you this little pamphlet on top, and it tells you like the newest trends that they have. And now you can actually go to their website. If you ever see any of the products in here, or you want to just get some cool things, you can go to their website and you can purchase things directly through their website, and they always have free shipping. I've gotten some really cool sunglasses that I got from them, and some leggings and stuff like that. So you can always order directly from their website if you don't want to jump into the subscription box just yet to get their amazing products. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Let me rip this open. Hi, you still can't see. Okay, so once you're inside, they give you your card, and it gives you a paper that goes over everything that is in your box with the pricing and all of that good stuff. Now, they always write you a personalized card. That is so cool that they actually take the time to hand write a card for you, which is amazing. I've been saying that on every single one of my unboxings. And this one, you guys, is my 4th box out of 6. I did a 6-month subscription. This is my 4th one, and I'm so excited because I can kind of see some things in here, and I'm so excited. Okay, so this month, my curator was Marina, and that's that gorgeous lady right there. And she wrote, "Hello, Tracy. I hope you're enjoying your Florida weather. I'm so jealous. We are still waiting for it to warm up here in New Jersey. I packed these glasses for," ooh, so we have some glasses. What did I just say that I had got from them and I loved? I've picked these glasses for you because they are one of my favorites, and I am so happy I was able to include all of your favorite colors from your profile this month. Hope you love it. XOXO, love, Marina. So there is my personalized card. Here is my form, and let's go ahead and dive in. Since she mentioned glasses, let's go ahead. I know that that's what this is. And if you watch my very first unboxing, I was so impressed on how they send them in their own hard case, and I'm still just as impressed because that is amazing. Even the ones I got from FabFitFun did not come in a hard plastic or hard case. They're just in a little tiny bag, and those could get damaged. Theirs cannot get damaged because they're in a really big, nice, solid case, and it has their name on it. So it says Luxury Divas. Let's go ahead and open this up and see which glasses she thought would be my style. So let's see. Ooh, that is the ones that she chose for me. Let's try them on, shall we? Ooh, those are cool. Yeah, those are cool. What do you think? Are they me? Are they me? Are they me? They're gonna be. Those are so cool. I really like those. And this particular one says flat, round, cutout sunglasses with case. And again, here they are. Try to get my lights off of it. These are valued at $20 and they're available in green, brown, and black. The code on their website would be SG00897. Now, like I said, I received a pair of glasses in my very first box, and then on their website, I actually went and bought a different pair that had rhinestones on the top, and those are my driving glasses. Those are in my car, and that's where they sit. So these I will probably just put in my purse because I don't really care for the ones that are in my purse. So I'll stick these in my purse, and I'll have some really cool glasses. It's anywhere I go. Okay, so next I see Twizzlers. They always toss in some like little candy in here, which is amazing. So we have Twizzlers this month. Who doesn't love Twizzlers? Okay, so next item. Ooh, these are some earrings. Let's see what these are, you guys. Ah, those are beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. They have like a little rhinestone on the bottom and like a little teardrop shape. And those are gorgeous. I really, really like those. These are so cool. I don't have any long dangly earrings like this. This is hanging crystal threaded dangling earrings. Available in silver. And the code would be JW01474. And these are valued at $19. And again, you guys can buy most of all of their stuff on their website and it's always free shipping. So even if you wanted to just get one item, you wouldn't pay shipping. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this in my hole. That's not my job. So let's see if I can do it. Oh, I think I got it. Okay, there's one down. Those are beautiful. My ears are super, super, super sensitive, but I'm sure I can get away with putting these in for a day or at least definitely for a night. That's 100% for sure. Let's get that one in there. There we go. Those are gorgeous. Yes. Those are really, really pretty. I am so glad that I have those. Those are really, really cool. Okay, so the next item right here is in a blue bag. This looks like another form of jewelry. Ah, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous, you guys. Look at this bracelet. And it has my favorite color. She is so right. That is beautiful. Silver and aqua, teal, turquoise, whatever you want to call that color. That is my favorite color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So, so, so pretty. And then you have the little hanging thing down there. Okay, so let's see what this says. This says blue crystal glass beaded charm bracelet. Shine like royalty with your new stunning charm bracelet. Features glass jewels and beads fit for a queen. Tip: use the safety chain for easy on and off when putting the bracelet on with one hand. Keep stones radiant by storing them in the satin bag. This bag that it came in, if you store it in there, it'll keep them nice and shiny. That is gorgeous. That is so beautiful, you guys. And this is valued at $25. It's available in blue and purples. And the code on their website would be JW10, sorry, not 10, JW01489. So if you want to check out that, that's the code. Let's go ahead and see what's inside here. And they always wrap everything up. Their attention to detail is just spot on, you guys. Ooh, what is in here? Ooh, this is a fancy, fancy belt. And that is definitely a belt. Look at that. That is so cool. That is really pretty. Okay, so this guy right here is a plus size silver Greek key chain belt. And that's one thing, you do have a profile. Once you sign up from them, they'll send you a link and you fill out a profile. I completely forgot to tell you this part. I said it in my other videos though. You can then tell them your size down to like the 1X, 2X, or the 5'4", like the numbers and the other one. You put both of them in there. They ask you for your shoe size. They ask you for your favorite colors. You can then tell them if you prefer yellow gold versus white gold or rose gold. You can tell them your preferences. If you like to wear certain things versus others, if you wear certain colors versus others, you can type in anything that you want to add to it. They ask you how tall you are, I believe. They ask you your shoe size. They ask you everything on that profile. So when they do curate your box, it's profiled just for you. So here, because I'm a plus size girl, here's a plus size belt for me. And this is, it says, instantly enhance a simple shirt, dress, or blouse by adding your new chain belt around your waist or midriff. When your outfit can use a little something extra, simply position your chain belt near your waistline and down around your hips. Available in gold and silver. And I'm so glad they gave me silver because I don't like gold, or not yellow gold anyway. And this is valued at $20 and the code is B02455 on their website. So that is amazing. Yes, I love that. Okay, so the next item, look at how, those are peacocks. Okay, you guys, who hasn't watched my tattoo video to see what all my tattoos are on my foot? I literally have peacock feather tattooed on the top of my foot. And this, my friends, this kind of look like toes, but this is a peacock to what it looks like. Yes, that is a peacock. That is so pretty. And then this coral color is gorgeous with that teal. And they got my favorite colors for sure. And this is a size 11. I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'11". So I have some big feet on my feet. But look at how stunning. They look very, very comfortable. They have a little bit of a higher end here, but they look very nice and thick. So when you're walking outside, if you walk on rocks, it doesn't look like you're gonna feel anything. So that is amazing. And look, I really like the fact that they're peacocks because I have a peacock tattoo feathered on my peacock feathered tattooed on the top of my foot. So that is so cool. I really, really love these. I really, really love these. Okay, pink and green Impanema peacock flip-flops. These are valued for $25. And there's two different, oh no, the code's written on there twice. F01359 is the code for these. Once worn, you'll never want to wear another brand of flip-flops again. Available only in whole sizes. To ensure the proper fit, if you wear a half size, we round up to the next shoe size. And that is really cool. I really, really like those. Look how cute, you guys. That is so me. Like from head to toe so far, they're getting me to a T. The last item is a clothing item that is in here. And this says black plus swing dress. I don't really wear dresses, but I might be able to put leggings or something underneath it, or maybe just wear it around the house. Nice enough for an evening out, yet simple enough for strolls on the beach. This swing dress delivers on a relaxed fit, style, and comfort. Dress it up or dress it down with accessories. Available in royal blue, seafoam green, or black. This is valued at $35. So this dress alone is the value of this entire box if you did a one-time only. If you did the monthly subscription, that's only $30 and this is $35. And then you get all of this other stuff and free shipping in addition. So that is awesome. I love this box, you guys. So the code for this is CL04492 and again valued at $35. So my entire box is valued at $144, all for $30. And if you use my code, you get the first box for $25, which is Crafty 5. So let me show you. This just looks okay. So it has like a quarter sleeve. It is all black and it just is a nice like flowy. I'll probably wear this around the house because my chunky self don't wear, I don't even wear shorts out. but I probably will wear this around the house. It'll probably be good for me to wear around the house. So that is everything that we got, you guys. Again, we got this really cool dress. It's just not my thing to wear outside of the house, but I am definitely going to wear it inside of the house. They don't know. I didn't tell them no dresses. Plus, I kind of leave my profiles. I broaden my horizons on my profiles only because I feel like it'll show you guys a better variety from different subscription boxes. And if it's something that I can't use or I'm not going to use, I do pass it down, give them away to you guys, or I put in donation piles and that kind of thing. So I don't mind if it's something that I don't really love that particular moment, because I know someone out there will definitely love that particular item, if that makes sense. But I love everything in this box. This I'm definitely going to wear around the house. These are so, so cute. I cannot get enough of how pretty those are with the peacock. Like, really? That is up my alley 100%. This gorgeous blue bracelet is amazing. These beautiful earrings. Then you have this amazing belt, which that would probably look really good with that dress. And don't forget about the awesome sunglasses in the hard case, you guys. This is amazing. Every time I tell you guys, I really, really love this box. If you guys want to check it out, again, if you don't want to jump straight to the subscription box, you can purchase any item on their website directly, and it's always free shipping to the US. But I highly recommend this. They do change with the season, so they will give you different things with the seasons. And I really, really love Luxury Divas accessory box. I've seen others out there and they just don't compare. The price is a lot higher on other ones, and I don't believe that their quality looks as good in other ones. So I'm only sticking to my Luxury Divas. And after, this is my 4th box, so I have 2 more, and then I'll renew for another 6 months to show you guys, so you guys get at least a complete full year with this company, because I really, really like this company. So that is all that I have for you. This is an amazing box. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'd greatly appreciate that. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.